Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive, beautiful, outclass collection of crochet handmade flower designs. Different color, different design combinations in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and most amazing collection. Top trendy in front of you for those ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. So dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, then you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet flower designs and others like crochet women collection, crochet women long dresses, short dresses, bodycons, garter dresses, skirt designs, scarf designs, panju, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket design, open jacket design, cardigans, blouse designs, and baby collection, crochet baby frock design, romper designs, crochet baby footwear collection, sandal, boot, slipper design also. Crochet jewelry like crochet woman necklace, earrings, bracelets, anklet designs. So dear friends, always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also give your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers then.